this is the unit so far. All I've done, I switched it from a middle part to a side part, and I put some water in it this morning. So I am going to put in a little mousse so that you can see the curls once they dry while I do my makeup. So I'm just gonna use this Decadent Creamy Mousse. This is the OGX. My hair is pretty damp, but I might actually add a little bit more water. So really, this hair doesn't require a lot of maintenance if you're doing the body wave. This is a lot wavier than the body wave I've had before, which is nice. It's more curly, I guess. I did bleach the knots on this unit, but it's not necessary. What I would recommend doing, because this is Swiss lace, it's not HD, I would just recommend putting concealer here, which I will be doing later. But okay, so the hair is wet, you see, she's nice and wavy. Very thick. This wig is super thick. This is a 13 by 6. Hopefully you can see it. I'm in the process of moving, so all of my stuff in my glam room is like a hot mess right now, and the lighting is trash. So, okay, this is it with no product, but now I'm going to add a little bit of mousse to the ends. Maybe like a handful, and kind of just drag it through. This stuff smells really good. It's like coconut. And I'm gonna scrunch the curls. Okay, so I just finished my makeup. And this is what the hair is looking like after air drying for the last like hour or so. Really pretty curls, super voluminous. They did send me this headband as well, so real quick, I'll show you. So this is what the box it came in looks like. The hair was wrapped in a net, and it was just inside this really pretty box. They also sent this headband and this little bag of wig goodies. So that comes with a wig cap, which I didn't use because I used darker ones. This one's a little too light for me. Then it comes with this shower cap, which is super cute. I don't have a gold one, and gold's my favorite color, so that's real cute. And then it also comes with an elastic band if you want to make your wig glueless, which you can. I didn't. I ended up gluing mine down. A couple of clips and a little comb like this, and a tweezers for plucking your wig. So it's really nice tweezers too. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna take this off just so you can see. This headband is so cute. I'm so excited about that. I'm obsessed. It looks so good. I love these curls, this wave pattern. Oh my god. But I am about to be late for lunch, so I'm gonna run off to lunch, and then I will come back and give you guys my final thoughts on this hair. Alright, I wanted to show you guys in better lighting so you can see. Like I said before, I'm moving, so my house is in disarray right now. Everything's everywhere, but I wanted to get better lighting for you. So this is the curl pattern, as you can see. Okay, you guys, I am back. I switched my shirt, got my makeup on. This is the hair after it is fully air dried. I didn't use any heat on it except for the hot comb just to flatten out the top. I switched it from middle part to side part because that's more my style. This is the 13 by 6 20-inch Brazilian body wave unit. 180 density. It is a Swiss top lace, so the lace is like a brown color. I did use a lace tint, but it didn't really do anything, so unnecessary step. You can use powder or concealer on your part if you so choose. This is it. It was super easy to install because it was already pre-plucked and everything. So yeah. If you're interested in this unit, you can use my code KIMBER20 for some money off of your purchase. I will put all the info about this unit in the bottom bar below, as well as the link. Again, this is from Ilikehair, and I hope you guys enjoy.